What's going on, beautiful people? Welcome to We Teach AI Designs, and let's dive right into today's lesson. All right, so the prompt that we're going to be using today is a concept of Superman, black kid, girl, Superman, red and blue details, blue sky and background, aspect ratio 4:5, in NIJI 5. All right, perfect. So we're going to go ahead and copy this, and just for reference, this I'll make sure I leave this up at the end of the video so that way you guys can use this prompt as well. So we're gonna go right into Midjourney. As you see, I've been kind of testing it out, make sure it's good for y'all. So we're gonna go right in like we normally do. We want to start with the direct messenger. I'm gonna go Midjourney bot. It's gonna hit /imagine for our prompt. We're going to paste our prompt in. We're going to click enter. So while that is loading, we are actually going to go right back into our prompts here. We're going to do the exact same thing for a black kid boy. So we're going to concept of Superman, black kid boy, Superman, blue details, blue sky in the background, aspect ratio 4:5, NIJI 5. So NIJI is the art style that is going to, it's really good for basically just comic books and a very kind of comic book anime style. So we want to kind of go with both of that. So we created a female version, so we're going to create a male version now. Perfect. And as you see, I added NIJI 5. And what that does, when you add that into your prompt, it makes it that no matter what your settings are in Midjourney, that's what comes up. You can you could be in NIJI mode no matter what. So as you see, my latest motto is I'm in Midjourney 5.2. I'm in the Midjourney model instead of the NIJI model. I could just as easily just go to settings and go to NIJI, but because I added the prompt of NIJI 5, it allowed me to be able to bypass that. So let's go ahead and take a look at our prompts here. So this is what we have for our young lady here. Got a lot of pretty cool options. Like this one a lot, like this one a lot, like this one a lot. I think I'm going to go with up here. I think I'm gonna go with 2. It just just really love the very optimism and a look that kind of comes in a it's kind of like looking in the sky. I really just like that look. And this is our male character here. Really like this. I think this one is really speaking out to me. The one that's on the top right, that's really speaking to me. So let's go ahead and upscale too. Keep in mind, upscale means that we can upscale it. It'll single it out by itself, so that way we can go ahead and download it. And just to kind of let you guys know, the upscale 4 means it'll upscale it to a resolution that is really great for print. So if you want to make these into t-shirts or anything like that, then it's really great for that. So I'm going to click open browser. I'm going to do the same thing for my female character here. I'm going to right click, save image as. I'm going to save it right to my downloads folder here. And do the same thing here. Love the haircut. Save image as, right to my downloads here. And bam, I have my 2 images that I used using this prompt. But we're not going to stop there. We're going to actually go a little bit further, because I want to kind of show you guys how to make movie posters inside using Midjourney images, but using Canva. And just to let you guys know, I'm using a free version of Canva right here. So first thing first is you want to kind of come up with a good template to use. Canva has thousands of movie poster templates that can be used. And I think I really want to use this one. Let's go ahead and customize this template. And we're going to actually upload our 2 images that we have from We Teach AI that we just did here. Let's go ahead and perfect. Again, we're doing all of this on the spot here. Gonna click download. Gonna upscale that right there. Perfect. I love it. I love it. I love it. So we're gonna go ahead and just go right into kind of just making some adjustments here. As a matter of fact, we want to, as you see, we have our image is very bright, is very very just kind of just, it's gonna be hard to put white text on top of it. So what we want to do is we want to kind of go to our elements. We're going to create a shape. We're going to turn that shape black. We're going to turn that shape black. And what we want to do is we want to make it as big as our frame here. I'm going to cover it up just enough. And then we want to go to transparency. And we want to go ahead and bring that transparency all the way down. Let's put it right at 45%. We could adjust it at any time. So we'll go ahead and do that. What's Superman known for? His name is Clark Kent, or Kal-El. Kal-El. So let's change that to that. It is November 2023. So let's say we want to do summer 2024. And let's say we'll put just mock movie posters. Kal-El. Yeah. Kal-El. Well, I'll probably put dash L. I think you could put dashes in like websites, right? www.kal-el.com. And let's say we wanted to get an idea of actor. Well, as a matter of fact, let's, I don't want a text on the actor. So let's go ahead and take that out here. And bam, we have our movie poster. So what we want to do is we want to go ahead and duplicate that, and we want to use our image right here. We want to go ahead and put that there. As you see, it's a little bit too bright, so we want to make sure that we bring our black overlay over top of this image, so that way the text kind of really just stands out just that much more. Perfect. And we're going to bring that down to about 45%, just like we did before. So let's say, let me just make sure, just, all right, 45%. Kal-El, 45%. All right, so let me kind of come up with some ideas. What name can we give the young lady? You have Kal-El, and let's say what is the cousin's name? Let's see. Let's dive right here in ChatGPT and kind of ask them. ChatGPT is also free. I'm using the free version as well. What is Clark Kent's cousin name? And it's letting me know that their name is like it's taking some time to think. Kara. It's Kara. So maybe Cal and Kara. Okay. Kara Zor-El. I like Kara. Kara is a nice name. Cal and Kara. Let's go ahead and bring that just a little bit. Okay, perfect. Cal L and Kara L. Love it, love it. I like it. What you guys think? I don't know. You know what I'm saying? I think it's dope. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. So yeah, this is what we got, man. We created a movie poster, a very simple movie poster. Oh, we want to make sure that we change this to Kara -L summer 2024. So it's almost like a two movie posters, you know, given our two actors right here. So just to show you guys, start from the top, what we did was we used the prompt concept of Superman, black kid boy, Superman, red and blue details, blue sky in background, aspect ratio 4:5, NIJI 5. We did the same thing for black kid girl. And again, you know, a lot of the people that are leaving comments are saying that they're having a hard time with dark skinned characters. If you simply just put black skin or black girl, you know, you typically have a pretty good chance to be able to get someone of darker skin. So, you know, just really put the descriptions that you want to see. And, you know, if you have any other questions, definitely please let me know. And I will help you. So that's what it is. So we're gonna go ahead and just let you guys know, I'm using a free version of Canva. I'm using a free version of ChatGPT. So if you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I would love to help you. Until next time, peace, y'all.